Each year, millions of students face immense educational access challenges due to human conflicts and natural disasters. Last year alone, UNICEF reported that 95% of schools in Gaza were destroyed, leaving many students without education. Educational camps are often the best solution to this, from the earthquakes in Morocco and Haiti to regions across Africa. These camps show the resilience of educators. However, they often lack the resources, visibility, and support they need. That's where we step in to help connect, empower, and support these vital educational efforts globally.
Camp Connect bridges the gap between displaced students and educational opportunities by connecting them to nearby educational camps. What makes Camp Connect unique is its ability to connect everyone through the app. Teachers can create and manage camps, while students can easily find and navigate to them. Camps can also directly communicate their needs to organizations, ensuring targeted support. By combining all of these, the app delivers access to education where it's needed the most.
We designed Camp Connect to be as accessible, reliable, and easy to use. As such, we built the app using Flutter, so it works on iOS and Android from day one, without sacrificing performance. The app follows the MVVM architecture, enhancing maintainability. Firebase powers our backend and handles authentication. Using Google Maps API, the app helps students and teachers find camps and navigate to them, even if they're offline. The key features include camp management, maps navigation, and resource tracking.
So how does Camp Connect work?
We have two types of users in our app, teachers and students. We'll start with the teachers. Our app begins with a straightforward registration process. After inputting personal details, they have the option to be a student or a teacher. Then users are prompted to input more details about them for personalization. Teachers are also guided through a verification process to ensure their authenticity. When they get a confirmation to proceed, they can now use the app. In the home screen, they can see important announcements and info about their camps. Teachers can also access features like camp creation, where they add details such as the location, status of resources, educational levels, and additional services. The location of the camp will be reflected on the maps. Teachers can also add themselves to a camp they want to teach at, and they can create classes on the camps for students to see. Now let's move on to the student. On the other side, users can sign in using their email and password. Once registered, students can browse the map screen, which dynamically displays nearby educational camps even in offline mode, where they can see when it was last updated. Students can use filters to search for camps based on specific needs, like distance to their location. Students can see the filtered camps and they can bookmark them as well and have it saved. Students can also see the details of all the camps, the classes being taught, and the teachers at that camp. Students can use this information to reach out to their teacher directly. When they want to go to the camp, students can use the maps to get the best route to the camp they want to reach. Here, the student used the navigation feature, went to the educational camp, and can finally learn.
We expect the app to allow students to continue learning without delays. Teachers will be able to reach more students, while NGOs and governments can easily identify where help is needed. To secure the funding for scalability, we will collaborate with NGOs and governments to update camp information and enhance features. We will also train people to manage the app, ensuring it grows and helps more and more places over time.
One challenge is with detecting fraud within the app. To address this, we've implemented a teacher verification process to ensure only qualified educators create and manage camps. Our success will be measured by the number of camps created, the support they receive, and the amount of students they help. We'll also track metrics like improved literacy rates and learning outcomes to evaluate the long-term impact of the app.
Help us achieve our dreams of giving students the education they deserve.